Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas bat bidor.
National Vice President jongka Bharatiya Janata Party Ubapedru ke Jila Meghalaya Dr. M. Chuba Au haka arpasau terek nai wieng arajar arpo ulai kendo Menteri Rangba ke Jila Konrad Kongkal Sangma bani keren bat bani thiritai hadien ba kalami ke jinge pher jimut apeng ka kunhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bat ka BJP ke bakrsyane ini kunhun ka bat ulakam sensyar ke Jila haka jinge keren megila pathai kubor Dr. Au ulai thu ba nakaliang jongka BJP kandang yai peteng bej bani trailang hapok sarkar tat hadu bandawan biang ka samoyukun election house nam arajar arpula.
It's clearly given in this statement, there's no differences in the alliance partner and we are going to stay there till the end of the term. Myself, the in charge of BJP Paravari, Dr. Chuba Au, we went and met the Chief Minister and discussed all the entire detail. This one will be briefed by you by our BJP in charge.
I think they are comfortable. They are doing best for the state. They are also delivering the best to the peoples. They are doing the best service. That might be his own opinion. Nothing to do with the party, nothing to with, because it is a prerogative of chief ministers. So I am not involved in this one because we do not have any written agreement or for this. So that is not an issue. Maybe his feeling expression only. That is nothing to do. I came for that only to discuss with all the levels, including the Shillong city organization, state levels, Mahila, Kisan Morcha, Yuva Morcha, all series of meeting today. So I have to work out a new strategy so that who doesn't want power?